Good morning guys, hindi na natin isali ang face ni Crystal. Pwede naman, he just wake up. So ngayon, mag-open na siya sa kaniyang present. Simple lang ang celebration kay very practical naman ang aking daughter. She's very practical. Happy birthday, my baby. Garbage. Thank you, my daddy. Thank you, daddy love, for buying cake for our princess. Read first inside. Read with your eyes. Oy, alarm ni daddy na close. Hurry up. Sige pamanig. Ligid-ligid ning go to prepare yourself now. Basta. Simple cake lang, guys. Simple ice cream cake for my Crystal. Narong spilling pa talaga ang Crystal, guys. Na ay pa jud. Ayan. Crystal ay ang nakasulat. Crystal Gintong kasi hindi ako nagbili dyan. Alam nyo naman, pag ako, kailangan perfect palagi yan. So, ngayon, yan ang aming baby. Ang aking firstborn ay finally 18 years old na. Nagbasa siya og love letter, guys, oh. Nag-effort talaga si Mami og write sa love letter. Ayan, nag-love letter si Mami. Taas kayo ang love letter ni Mami. Uy, one by one, you put in the, wait first. Should be put in the garbage. I go to take the garbage first. Ayan. One by one. Open first. That's supposed to be your dress if we have having a party. But because we nothing party, simple lang naman ang gusto niya eh. Because she is very conservative young lady. I hope you like it. Oh my God, that phone is so many noisy man. You like it? I wish you can wear it today. Go to take the passport.
Huh?
Yeah. She wear the coat na. It's in there already.
This one eh?
Boleh pakai ma. This one is normal only ma. Normal dress bukan gown. Kan? I no more. Oh, still have. Ang dagway ba sa akong anak. Ay, one by. Slowly ba? Slowly. Sumana siya mag-open. Nga mura magka ng slowly. React talaga ang amahan, guys, kay dili siya gusto mag-dress yung anak. Mag-dress ganin na imong anak mag-adto sa shopping mall. Kan? You go to shopping mall with your friend only wearing the dress also kan? But always black. But this today is red. Normal lang naman yung dress niya di. Just very normal. Casual only ba? Not gown. Hoy, open first daw. Agoy na direct man sa ubos. Wala na direct man sa ubos, guys. Wala man nag step by step. Milk tea mo cake, anak. Ice cream cake pa naman yan. Bagong gising. Wala pa yung enough tulog eh. Kasi nag-post pa yan sa ano niya. Sa iyang social media. Close the door dad. Kay ano ba? I hope you like it. Okay, the one that kind of ay naramdaman na mag-lighten. Why I did not put. It's okay, Dad. It's okay.
Is this the bracelet?
You check. I keep that one in. I mean, I invest that one in 1 year, you know. Nothing 1 year. Not yet. Next year, about 1 year. It's just few months.
Is this real gold?
Of course! Your mother is a gold sealer. You have already right before, but kana rumpak. Kana churi. Before, I already prepare you the bracelet and the necklace, but kana churi. So this time, I buy the new one for you.
Pakai.
You know why I buy this? There's a meaning.
Apa?
This is your grandpa, grandma, and your uncle Aldrin, who passed away.
Can pakai apa? Can apa? Ka pakai in shower?
Oo! It's a pure gold, anak!
Can.
It's 916!
So can
It's a
na.
pure gold!
So can na.
Yeah, it's a mommy gold!
Oh,
That's very pure!
I want.
You can wear it even every day, but you have to be careful because your hair is so thick and then you can accidentally stuck into your ano. Yan guys, simple lang naman yung necklace niya guys. Oh, ang ganda ng necklace ng baby ka. Ayan yung ano niya guys, design. So very fit for her kasi hindi ayaw naman niya ng ano, but kailangan talaga ng someone to help you to open. Ha? Yan, nag-ihap na siya sa iyahang final gift. Nag-ihap na siya siyang kayamanan. That is for your laptop. Happy birthday, Gavin. Pastor, kay wishing happy birthday. Gab! Pastor, kay wishing happy birthday. Never mind, like just, ano de. Sige na. Happy birthday to you. You sing there. Nagbihis si Gavin. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy
Birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday, Cheche. Hoy, Gavin, sing. It's your turn. Wala man si Gavin mag-sing sa chichi niya. Oy, come here. Ang bata. Okay, go to sing happy birthday for your sister. Hurry. Here. Behind your sister there.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chiche. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Loud. Okay. And then kiss Chiche. Sus. Okay na. Blow na the candle. You ready, Mikosh?
Where your shoes?
Now you're adult. Yehey! But walang boyfriend mo na.
I don't want boyfriend.
Okay?
I don't want boyfriend.
The end,
Focus for your goal muna. For your desire muna.
I don't want boyfriend.
And save more money for your future.
Really go gusto boyfriend.
Walang boyfriend. Di ka gusto boyfriend. Okay. Happy birthday, my baby love. You like that necklace? Ang ganda ng necklace na blang lang. Eh. So, hindi siya nakapaniwala, guys. Akala niya fake. Lagi, I always give you naman, di ba? Oh, this time, ang ganda ng necklace niya. Napaka-cute. Sana all. May mami na nagbibigay ng gold. Ay, sure. Uwi ni mami, eh. Sige na. Ay, maghatid na si mami sa your brother, ha? Okay? Do you want to follow? You will get ready. Okay? Because after we eat the breakfast, we come back here directly, ha? Understood?